So in this video we will focus on the group of the features which are called development areas, and in particular we will focus on the buildings. So once again I will repeat that during the phase 2 we are focused on the features which are located inside of the islet. The boundaries of the islet cannot be further changed, they are simply accepted by the client, and you are not able to modify these features. It's simply not possible. So we will focus on the buildings now. So what you can do with the buildings? As you might see, there is plenty of buildings already exist. They are extracted from the BD topo, which is a topographic map of the AGN. And you can create new buildings, you can delete buildings, and you can modify existing buildings. The condition for modifying of existing buildings is as follows: that the surface of the building should exclude at least 50 square meters to be adjusted. But as usual, there is also exception, and the exception is about the small adjustment of the buildings which are intersecting the islets. So here in this case I will show you how to capture a new building. So this building should be basically excluded during the phase 1 this way, including the road, but someone didn't do it properly, so now we have to fix it during the phase 2. So first I will capture the building. So you highlight the layer building, you click a new feature, click inside for the centroid, and then simply draw the building. The building is drawn on the rooftop, which is for me a little bit unusual because it's usually the footprint, but in this case it's a rooftop. Since it is captured on the rooftop, depending on the position of the camera, you might see that the building has always a little bit different position, which will not be the case if this will be the footprint. But it's a rooftop in this case, so we will keep the rooftop. In this case, I will also show you how to capture the man-made surface. So the instruction says that the road which is approaching the house, which is inside, is captured as a man-made surface, not as a road, but as a one-feature man-made surface, plus the surrounding area which is non-eligible as regards the agriculture purpose. So I will highlight now the tracks and man-made surface, and I will create a new feature. Okay, so this way you see that the man-made surface is overlapping the building. This is correct, it's not a problem. Okay, and now you see that I'm going out of the islet. So everything what you will draw, I suggest that you will finish it out of the islet, which is a safer approach than to leave some small gaps inside. So this is a man-made surface, and I confirm. So the feature, the built-up area plus the house is now captured, and I will check whether something else inside is needed. No, it is not. So in case the vegetation is also captured, you can finalize the islet. This is a second case, opposite to drawing a new building. This is a deleting the building. So in case you are 100% sure that the building doesn't exist on the orthophoto anymore, but it is extracted from the BD topo, you delete the building. Here we can check the real status. As you might see, the building is not really there. It's maybe just the some remainings, but definitely not the buildings. So this building will be deleted. You will do it following way. So highlight the buildings, right click, and here select the delete feature from menu. Click on the polygon. Yes, delete. There is a layer deleted buildings, so you might see that the point here is generated. It is saving your work, since this is the warning surplus building generated automatically by the system. Here we have a case when the building is captured correctly, but the hole within the islet was not adjusted properly. So in this case, you do not do anything. The building simply is overlapping or crossing the islet a little bit, and this situation will remain as it is. Always please check that there are no buildings intersecting the islets. So here we have a case when the building is not correctly captured and it's overlapping with the islet, but the boundary of the islet is correct and the boundary of the building is not captured very well. So we have to adjust it, not whole building I would say, but just the part which is intersecting the islet. So highlight the building layer, modify the feature, and you will just move these 2 points to not intersecting the islet. Another case. Here we have also, you see that the building is not captured very well, it's intersecting the islet. So again, we need to shift these 2 points in position that they are not overlapping the islets. Okay, this is correct now. In this case, we have a building which is hidden by the tree crowns and it is intersecting the islets. So we don't know whether the building exists or what's the situation there. So it's the solution for this is that you don't do anything. You simply leave the case as it is. Don't do any modification. The only thing you will do is put the warning point. The warning is named intersecting islet with building, and just be sure that you put the warning point in the overlapping part, so the place where the islet, which is here, is overlapping with the building. So you will highlight the warning layer, you will place here the warning point, and you will select from the menu, you will select overlap building with islet. It's not here yet, it's a testing version, but it will be here. So there's one more type of the building, which are greenhouses. The greenhouses are just as are there as a auxiliary data, because the greenhouses are considered as a agriculture land. As you might see, there is nothing you can do with the greenhouses. Edit functions are not available for this layer, so you cannot delete them. You cannot create new greenhouses. It's just as auxiliary information there.